we have this interesting series question. Let's see how we can solve this. So first of all, to find the answer for x, we can square both the sides like this. Square both the left side and right side. Now if I square the left side, I will get x plus under root x plus under root x plus under root x plus and so on, it continues. Correct. See, by squaring the left hand side, only this square root will be removed. Correct. Rest of the square roots will remain as it is. Correct. Now this is equals to 5 square, which is 25. Okay. Now please look at this part carefully. What is the value of this endless series? The value of this endless series is 5. Yes. Please look at the question. The value of this endless series was 5. So I'll be using 5 instead of this. Yes. So this is actually like the question that was given to us. This part is actually like the question that was given to us. Correct. So this is equals to 5. Correct. The value of this endless series is 5. That was given in the question. So x plus 5 is equals to what? 25. So our final answer, the value of x will be 25 minus 5, which will give us 20. So this will be the final answer. This is the value of x. Yes.